Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and we are going to talk about the Dollar General 5 off of 25 just for a basket of general merch. My goodness gracious guys, this Saturday the 6th, it is on fire over at the Dollar General. There are so many deals, so many high value digitals. This is a 100% digital deal, so all you need is a Dollar General account and the ability to load coupons, which I'm sure most of you know how to do, and you can get some of these amazing finds. So a couple ground rules. Saturday, March the 6th, because we're using that magic 5 off of 25 coupon with these deals, you got to get to $25 of merch. Use the Dollar General app to make sure that your digital coupons are attaching. These are Michigan prices, so if you're in a different part of the United States, it might be a little bit more, it might be a little bit less, but pay attention when you're in the store. Watch that register like a hawk. Bring a pad of paper and pen to do a little ledger so your math is perfect. Any issues you might have, void the transaction and all the digital coupons will remain on your account. And you really have to pay attention. The devil is in the details. If you're off as much as 1 penny, like if your subtotal is $24.99, it's not going to work. So really pay attention while you're shopping on the 6th, and it will be some razzle dazzle and magic. To show you a couple of weeks back, I did a couple deals one weekend where I got my basket down to $2.50. This stuff does work. Look at the receipt, boom, there it is. If you want to give me a follow over on Instagram, I do post as I'm shopping. I can get the information out to you guys a little quicker. So if you want to follow me over there, but usually I show you the receipts, what is and is not working, and if there's any issues, I will be totally forthcoming with you guys like right away. And I also made 2 other videos because there's some magic happening this weekend over at the Dollar General for inexpensive paper products. I know a lot of us love cheap paper, and unfortunately it's just not there this week over at Walgreens. Dollar General is the place to go. I will link both of these videos at the very end. And then if you love Gain, well, there's a lot of magic too for that. I will also link this video at the very end. 2 great videos for this Saturday. If you want to do a Gain deal, if you want to do a paper deal, or if you want to just do generic merchandise deal, this is the video for you. Okay, so deal number 1 is 100% digital, and you're going to need your cornerstone, which is this. And let's not forget, all digital coupons are also of a one-time use. So let's not forget that. First item we're going to grab is 2 items off of this bingo sheet. Whichever you want, make sure that 4 off of 2 is in fact attaching. So you can get whatever you want, just to preface that. I'm going to suggest to grab 2 of these. Why not? With a little teddy bear. How adorable is that? This is the UPC if you want to scan at home to make sure that you have this coupon loaded to your store card. And see that black check mark? That's when you know it's loaded to your store card. Then we're going to grab this Gain fireworks. I just love these products. Here's the UPC if you want to scan at home. And then this dollar coupon should be also attaching. Fantastic. And then we're going to grab one of these hand soaps for $3 on the nose. UPC again, just to make sure that your digitals are perfectly loaded. This is the $1.50 that you need for this deal. And then we're going to grab one of these Schick Classics for $4 on the nose. And here's the UPC if you want to scan to make sure that this guy is loaded to your store card. And we're going to grab one of these for $2.25. And there's a very generous $2 coupon. Here's the UPC. And this $2 coupon, make sure that you have that guy loaded for this little dealio. Okay, and then the last item is the Centrum Vitamins for $5. And then we have, if you want to do the scan at home, to know that you need this $4 coupon loaded for this deal. Okay, let's take a quick look at the mathematics. 2 of the Snuggle fabric softeners at $4 a pop is 8. 1 Gain fireworks is $3.95. 1 Safeguard soap is $3 on the nose. 1 Schick Classic razor is $4. 1 Oral-B floss is $2.25, and 1 Centrum vitamin is $5. Adding all of that up together, we have a total of $26.20. You punch in your phone number as the cashier is scanning your stuff, or at the very end, whichever one you want. But just before the final pay button is pressed, anyhow, after your number is punched in, the 5 off of 25 is coming off, along with $15.50 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $5.70 out of pocket, not including your tax, and this shakes out each item to 81 cents each. Oh my gosh, this is a deal. Okay, so deal number 2, just a little different take on it. Again, a digital. So we have our 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have this guy loaded. Now, if you are into fancier detergent, let's grab one of these for $8.95, the really large Tide. Fancy Tide. We need this $2 coupon loaded to our store card. And then we're going to grab one of these vitamins for $5 on the nose. We need our $4 coupon loaded as well. We're going to grab one of these Jergen body washes for $5.50, and then the very generous $3 coupon. Make sure you have that guy loaded. We're going to grab an Angel Soft family size 12 roll of toilet paper for $5 on the nose. We need this 50 center loaded. We're going to get a pack of gum for $1.10. Find that at checkout. And we need this 50 center loaded as well. Okay, looking at the mathematics for this basket, the Tide is $8.95, the Centrum Vitamin is $5, the Jergens body wash is $5.50, Angel Soft bathroom tissue is $5 on the nose, and the Orbit gum is $1.10. Adding all of that merchandise up together, the total is $25.55. Punch in your number as the cashier is scanning your stuff. When he or she presses the final pay button, 5 off of 25 and $10 of digital manufacturers are also coming off. You're left with paying $10.55 out of pocket for this basket. If you consider that Tide is almost $9, this is not a bad little basket. Okay, so if nothing interests you for these little filler items that I'm showing you, or try this or try that, you need a plan B, C, D. If your store doesn't have these items, some of this stuff has been really in stock around here, like at all the stores. It's like looking like it did, a year before all this craziness happened. So if you need some cleaner or some of these trigger sprays or disinfectant wipes and you're like, $3 short from your magic $25 basket, maybe moonwalk down this aisle and grab something from here, because these are fantastic products to have in your stockpile. Okay, last deal that we have again is with digital coupons. We need this guy loaded, which is your 5 off of 25, the magical Saturday coupon. We're grabbing 3 of these bad boys at $5 a pop. No coupons now. I think there's a $1 coupon coming out in one of these inserts in the future, but sadly I don't think this weekend. We're also having some instant savings that when you buy 15, you get $3 off instantly. So we're going to factor that into the mathematics, and you'll see that in my matchup. So also Fetch Rewards has 750 points back, which is basically 75 cents. Check your discoveries page if you might have this guy, because this is a great little rebate. We're grabbing 2 of these Snuggle fabric softeners for $8. They're 2 for $8. And we have this wonderful 4 off of 2 digital coupon that's attaching. Look, it's even pictured. You're grabbing the right item. And we're going to grab one of these vitamins for $5 on the nose. And then we have a very generous $4 coupon that's attaching to this product. How wonderful is that? Okay, looking at the math. 3 of the Cottonelles is $15. We have $3 of instant savings, so the new total is $12. I'm not typing out instant savings and all that stuff, so just realize that's what this abbreviated math is. Please don't come for me in the comments. Okay, we're grabbing 2 Snuggles for $8 and 1 Centrum for $5. 12 plus 8 plus 5 is $25 on the nose. Now, punch in your phone number at the front of it or while the cashier's scanning stuff. 5 off of 25, and then $8 of digital manufacturers is coming off, 4 for the Centrum, and 4 for the Snuggle. You're left with paying $12 out of pocket. This doesn't include your tax. Make a 750 point submission to the Fetch Rewards app, which is 75 cents. After you get that rebate, guys, it's like $11.25 for the 6 items, which is something called Not Too Shabby. You're basically shaving a $25 basket to less than 50%. And to get 3 things of Cottonelle for this price point, it's a really great thing. A lot of us really love stockpiling paper goods, especially after the last year. We just see a little bit of value in this, and to get 3 Cottonelles, that's a very good deal. Subsequently, if you do not like Cottonelle, if you wanted to get the Scott, which is also $5, you could sub one out for the other, or if you wanted a different type of Kimberly-Clark product, just use the app to scan to make sure that you're getting that message, which is 3 off of 15. So it would be Kleenex, Cottonelle, or the Scott. As always, guys, Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.